Maybe you have seen that Lumega have created the world's first AI model where we are able to clone existing luminaires, and from that data we're able to generate and manufacture LED inserts that is perfectly fitted into that specific luminaire. We can do that with all type of luminaires, and I want to show you an example on a luminaire that is basically seen a lot of different places. This type of luminaire here is the Fagerhult Notor, which is a great luminaire, and it's really high quality, and for that reason we also think that our solution is a great fit for that, because even though there's a lot of Fagerhult Notor luminaires out there with fluorescent tubes, it still is a great luminaire, and for that reason I think that our solution, and of course also Fagerhult's own solution, is a great choice to make the life even longer for this type of luminaire. So if we look closer, we have normally a fluorescent tube. There can either be one or two. Normally there is one. So the fluorescent tube is here, there is a reflector, and all that information is included in our model. Through that we are able to mainly create an LED insert. And in this case here, we have decided to make an LED insert that is tunable white, which means that we can go from 2700 Kelvin up to 6500 Kelvin, both with CRI 90. That means that you can have an old luminaire, and that is counting for all type of luminaire, and then you can upgrade with the latest type of lighting technology. So you can actually have tunable white included in a really old luminaire. And this is what we have done here. So there is a PCB, and we have the backside of the luminaire with the right type of, so to say, brackets, where we are able to have the brackets installed in the exact way on the luminaire. So this type of solution is installed in less than 15 minutes. So the upgrade is really simple. Now, I want to point a really important thing out when it comes to these retrofit solutions, and it is that when it comes to the front glass, a lot of our competitors are struggling a little bit with old front glasses. But with our AI model, we are able to clone existing front glasses, which I have right here. Now, this is the old one, but what we are seeing here is that the old front glass can be exact the same, but just as a new manufacturer front glass. So, I mean, what we do here is that we have an option to basically manufacture an LED insert that is 100% fitted and also equipped with a new front glass. So you basically have an exactly new LED luminaire after the upgrade. So that really brings, first of all, a high lumen per watt, because we have a new front glass, it's not yellow anymore. Then it also brings high energy savings, of course, for that reason. And then you have a really high lumen per watt. And the options for the tunable white, as you mentioned, is also something that is quite interesting for some clients. The options for controlling systems is a lot of different variations. So you can either choose with or without sensor, DALI sensor, and you can also choose it with, let's say, daylight sensor if that's needed. You can have Casambi, you can have DALI-2, DT8 and DT6 as well, of course, and a lot of different other choices. So this is just an example of something that we can do. We can do it with all type of luminaires, and it's really nice and easy setup for installation and upgrade, for instance.